Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. As you can see, the video is right next to it, so let's tap. And if you can see this red circle, red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the third position from the right, we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 5 different options from which you can choose. We've got 2 UHD, 2 FHD, and also 1 HD. The only difference between them are frames per second. So one have 30 and the other 60. It's of course up to you. So let me pick, for example, UHD with 60 frames per second. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, actually, your device will use the chosen resolution in order to record videos. So basically, that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.